Hi everyone, we're the Health Technology Planning team. We work for the Department of Health and Social Services in Yellowknife in Northern Canada. I'm Shauna Mullally. I grew up and studied in Ottawa, and then I worked in a few different places in Africa, in the Gambia and Zambia, in the UK, in Denmark, and then I moved here to work in another really interesting environment.
I'm Christine. I grew up here in Yellowknife, and I have worked here pretty much my whole career from the north.
I'm Daksha. I grew up in Mauritius. I lived for a while in Cape Town, South Africa, where I did my undergraduate studies, and I eventually moved to Vancouver for my master's degree and came here in the Northwest Territories to join this team.
Hello, I'm the last member of the team. My name is Anna. I'm originally from the Gambia. I first came to Canada 10 years ago to study health technology management in Ottawa and then in Toronto, and now I'm up here in Yellowknife. Glad to be part of the clinical engineering team.
We are a team of health technology planners, which simply means that we plan, procure, and implement health technology or medical equipment in the various health facilities in the Northwest Territories. And the main way we do this is through a territorial program we call evergreening, where we keep track of medical equipment or groups of technology that have reached the end of their lifespan, and we systematically replace them. We also plan and procure equipment as part of other projects too. For example, if a new health facility is being built or renovated, or if an unexpected situation arises and we urgently need a piece of medical equipment, as was the case with COVID-19.
We cover the whole of the Northwest Territories, which is a very large geographical area of almost 1.4 million square kilometers. We have some interesting logistical challenges that I think are unique to the North. Many of our we have 33 communities in the North that we provide services for, and many of those locations are remote fly-in or depend on the availability of a once-a-year barge. We also have some communities that are only accessible in the winter by road on ice roads, which is unique to our area, I think.
So how do we do what we do? We rely on three things that are of utmost importance. The first is context. Equipment means different things when you place it in different contexts. So for us, where our health facilities are located, which end users are actually using our pieces of equipment, all of these factors drive how we decide what to procure and plan for. The second thing is communication. It's a big part of our job. We have to translate incredibly technical specs to clinical end users and tell them, this is what this is going to mean for your clinical practice. You can do this, you can't do that. The third thing is collaboration. We can't do our job without collaborating very closely, not just with our end users who are clinicians, lab staff, staff in medical device reprocessing, but also with all of the other people involved in the project. So our IT and RIS colleagues when we're doing those types of installs, facility planners when we're doing a new installer in a new facility, as well as all sorts of other colleagues in the health system.
Why we do what we do.
Okay.
We ensure that we improve the quality of health technologies in the facilities to ensure there's a continuity of care as well with our evergreening program, making sure that there is effective acquisition of medical technologies which would meet the healthcare needs of the different communities that we serve.
Happy